Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise the sounds of letter A to F and to learn sounds of letter G to I. Are you ready? Here we go. What letter is this? A. What's the sound of letter A? A. A. Axe. A. Arrow. B. B sound. B. B. Balloon. B. Boy. C. C sound. K. K. Cow. K. Cap. K. Cake. D. D sound. D. D. Doll. D. Dolphin. D. Dog. E. E sound. A. A. Engine. A. Envelope. A. Elephant. F. F sound. F. F. Fish. F. Fat. F. Fan. Okay, children, today we are going to learn G to I. Are you ready? G. G sound. G. G. Gate. G. Goat. G. G. Girl. G. Gum. G. Gift. G. Gorilla. H. H sound. Hen. House. Hat. Honey. Hay. I sound. E. E. Ink pot. E. India. E. Igloo. E. Injection. E. Insects. Okay, children. Now we have to learn sight words. Is. This. My. It. We. Or. That. She. He. Has. On. I. Am. The. Can. They. These. Have. In. About. From. Those. Let's read the sentences. I am writing. They are playing. I have a pencil. The bag is on the table. These are eggs. Those are cars. He is dancing. She is dancing. She has a bag. I have a yellow car. Okay, children, thank you.